Okay, so today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of AI and finance.
Yeah.
And I think this is relevant to just about everybody listening. Uh, everybody's going to deal with money in some way.
Right.
And increasingly, AI is playing a role in that. And we've got some really interesting sources here that are talking about how AI is impacting just about every aspect of the financial world.
Oh, yeah. Across the board, from banking to insurance to trading,
Yeah.
risk management, fraud detection.
Yeah, and it seems like the big through line is, AI can do things more efficiently,
Right.
more quickly. It can lower risks.
Definitely.
And it can just do some things that humans just can't do.
Absolutely.
So why don't we start with maybe one of the most obvious areas where people are already experiencing the impact of AI, and that's banking,
Yeah.
particularly fraud detection.
Right. And it's really fascinating how it works. So, traditionally, fraud detection was all about these rule-based systems.
Right.
If this happens, then flag it. But with AI, we're talking about real-time anomaly detection.
So it's learning my patterns.
Exactly. It learns your normal transaction patterns.
Okay.
So, let's say you always make small purchases online,
Right.
and then suddenly there's a huge international transfer.
Oh, yeah.
The system can immediately flag that as potentially fraudulent because it's so out of the ordinary for you.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So it's not just about setting rules, it's about learning my individual behavior.
Exactly. It's personalized.
Wow. So those fraud alerts are getting a lot smarter.
Oh, yeah. Much smarter.
Now, what about trading and investment?
Yeah.
I imagine that's an area where speed is just absolutely paramount.
Oh, absolutely. Speed is key, and that's where AI really shines.
Yeah.
So we've got these algorithmic trading systems
Yeah.
powered by AI that can analyze millions of data points in milliseconds
Wow.
and execute trades at a speed that no human trader could ever match.
It's like superhuman speed.
Yeah, it's incredible. And then you've got Robo-Advisors,
Oh, yeah. I've heard about those.
which are basically using AI to offer personalized investment advice and manage portfolios.
So it's like having a personal financial advisor, but it's an AI.
Exactly. And it makes investing accessible to a much wider range of people.
Okay.
And of course, everybody wants to know, can AI predict the market?
Right.
Well, nobody's got a crystal ball,
Yeah.
but AI models are getting really good at identifying potential trends.
Interesting.
So while they can't predict the future perfectly,
Mm-hmm.
they can definitely give investors an edge.
That's really interesting. So it's not just about reacting quickly. It's also about trying to anticipate what's going to happen.
Exactly.
Now, what about insurance? I always think of insurance as being kind of a slow-moving industry.
Yeah, it has a reputation for being a bit old school,
Right.
but AI is actually shaking things up there too.
Really? How so?
Well, take underwriting, for example.
Okay.
That's the process where insurers decide whether to offer you a policy and what your premium will be.
Right.
AI can analyze vast amounts of data to assess your risk much more accurately.
So they're getting a much more complete picture of who I am.
Yeah, much more precise, and that's not all.
Okay.
AI is also playing a big role in risk assessment for the insurance industry as a whole,
Okay.
and it's automating claims processing,
Oh, that's nice.
which means faster payouts for you if you need to make a claim.
I like the sound of that. Now, risk management seems like a very broad term.
Yeah, it covers a lot of ground.
So how is AI specifically being used to help manage risks in the financial world?
Well, think of it this way. AI-driven predictive analytics can identify and evaluate a wide range of financial risks,
Okay.
from potential loan defaults to market instability.
So they're looking for red flags, basically.
Exactly. And this allows institutions to make more informed decisions and potentially avoid those risks.
So it's about being proactive.
Exactly.
And what about regulations? It seems like the financial world is just full of regulations.
Oh, yeah, it's a highly regulated industry.
So how does AI fit into that?
Well, AI is becoming essential for navigating those complex regulations. It can automate reporting and ensure compliance, which is a huge help to financial institutions.
So it's not just about making money, it's also about making sure that you're doing things by the book.
Absolutely. Compliance is crucial.
Now, for those of us who aren't, high-powered financiers,
Right.
how are we seeing the impact of AI in our everyday financial lives?
Well, one of the most obvious ways is through AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants.
Oh, yeah. I've definitely encountered those.
Right. They can provide instant customer support, answer your questions, help you with various tasks.
It's like having a 247 customer service rep.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Always available. And then there's the whole area of hyper-personalization.
Okay.
AI can analyze your financial data, your spending habits, your goals,
Right.
and then provide you with tailored product recommendations or financial planning advice.
So it's like having a custom financial guide.
Exactly. It's all about meeting your specific needs.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. Now, looking ahead, I've heard some buzz about AI and the world of decentralized finance.
Yeah, that's a really interesting era.
What's that all about?
So decentralized finance, or DeFi,
DeFi, okay.
it uses blockchain technology to create financial systems that are outside of traditional institutions.
Oh,
And the potential synergy between AI and DeFi is huge.
really? How so?
Well, imagine AI algorithms analyzing vast amounts of blockchain data
Okay.
to identify investment opportunities or manage risks within these decentralized platforms.
That sounds pretty complex.
It is. It's still early days, but the possibilities are really transformative.
It sounds like finance as we know it is changing really rapidly.
Oh, absolutely. AI is a game changer.
So for everyone listening, think about how these AI-driven changes might reshape your own financial life in the years to come.
Yeah,
It's something we all need to be aware of.
it really is.
And that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for listening.
Thanks.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye.
Thanks for watching FutureBond's AI Humans. What's next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the next episode.